Uninstaller is a powerful and easy-to-use uninstallation tool designed to help users completely remove unwanted programs, leftovers, and system clutter. Developed by Wise Cleaner, this software ensures that applications are fully uninstalled without leaving behind unnecessary files, registry entries, or other remnants that can slow down your system. With its simple interface and efficient performance, Wise Uninstaller makes managing your software collection a breeze. One of the key features of Wise Uninstaller is its thorough removal process. Unlike the built-in uninstaller in Windows, this tool scans your system for leftover files and registry entries after uninstalling a program, ensuring no traces are left behind. This complete removal prevents unnecessary files from taking up space and avoids potential conflicts caused by leftover components. Whether you're dealing with large applications or small utilities, Wise Uninstaller ensures that everything is cleaned up properly. In addition to its standard uninstallation capabilities, Wise Uninstaller includes a force uninstall feature that helps users tackle stubborn programs that may not uninstall through traditional means. This feature is particularly useful when dealing with corrupted installations or software that refuses to be removed. Users can manually locate and force the uninstallation of these applications, making Wise Uninstaller a powerful tool for troubleshooting complex issues. Another notable feature of Wise Uninstaller is its ability to uninstall browser toolbars, plugins, and other unwanted system components that might not be picked up by typical uninstallers. It also provides a log of the uninstallation process, so users can easily track what has been removed and verify that no important files were deleted. The clean and intuitive interface ensures that even beginners can quickly navigate and safely uninstall software without complications. Overall, Wise Uninstaller offers a reliable and comprehensive solution for anyone looking to manage their software more effectively and keep their system running smoothly. With its advanced uninstallation options, complete file removal, and user-friendly design, it is an essential tool for maintaining a clean and efficient computer system.